What is adverse possession and how does it affect title? Have you ever wondered how someone can claim ownership of land that isn't legally theirs? This is where adverse possession comes into play. Adverse possession is a legal principle that allows a person to claim ownership of property if they meet specific requirements. The idea is that land should not sit unused or neglected when someone else is actively using it. To successfully claim adverse possession, a few key conditions must be met. First, there is actual possession. This means the individual must physically occupy the property. Next, the possession must be open and visible. This means their use of the property should be obvious to anyone, showing a clear intent to possess it. Continuous possession is another requirement. The individual must occupy the property without interruption for a statutory period, which can vary from state to state. Hostile possession is also essential. This means the use of the property must be without the permission of the legal owner and contrary to the owner's interests. Finally, there is the claim of right. The possessor must act as if they have ownership rights, even if they do not hold the legal title. When these conditions are satisfied for the required time, the person in possession can acquire legal title to the property. This effectively transfers ownership from the original owner to the possessor. As a result, the original owner loses their rights to the property, while the adverse possessor gains full legal ownership. From the perspective of real estate investing, adverse possession can create title issues. If a property has been occupied by someone without formal ownership, it can complicate sales or transfers. Investors should conduct thorough title searches and consider title insurance to protect against claims arising from adverse possession. In some cases, investors might even pursue adverse possession as a strategy to acquire abandoned or neglected properties, as long as they meet the legal requirements. Understanding adverse possession is essential for real estate investors dealing with property, tax sales, or title issues. It directly affects the certainty and security of property ownership. Conducting proper due diligence can help identify any adverse possession claims and mitigate risks related to property titles.